Gone are the days when marriage was solely for an old man and a young woman. There used to be stigma attached to being married to young men. Well, nowadays, the stigma is fast fading away. Love is taking the front seat and age is relegated to the back seat. As they say, age is nothing but a number. So today, I'll be talking about Nigerian celebrities who marry to women older than them. But before then, if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Silva Ojesin, Segun Arinze's ex-wife Annie Jemanze, who remarried, stated in an interview that her husband is few years younger than her. The insinuation of the star Annie Jemanze's marriage to younger lover Silva Ojesin crumbled barely 8 months after the union was contracted. A report on Stella Dimakoku's blog pointed out that the marriage crashed as a result of domestic violence, abuse and betrayal. The blog reports further that the couple had always engaged in violent fights that once led to the dislocation of the actress' shoulder. The Nollywood actress, who played the role of Inspector Sankey in popular Mnet series, is said to have moved on with her life as she has already filed a divorce, while her estranged husband had moved out of the house. While Jemanze and Silva didn't have children together, Annie Jemanze, who now lives with her 2 children, was formerly married to actor Segun Arinze. Confirming her split from her third husband, the actress has replaced her marital status on Facebook with single, while her name reverted to Annie Jemanze. Dare-At Alade, R&B star and his serial entrepreneur wife Dare and Deola Alade got married on February 2007. Dare is 8 years younger than his wife Deola Ayeni, yet they have been married for a long time with lovely kids. They have been married for about 12 years now. Few years back, musician Dare Alade and his wife Deola opened a creative production company, Lightspot 360, in Lagos. The company was behind the highly acclaimed Love Like a Movie show that saw international celebrities like American model Kim Kardashian coming to Nigeria. In an interview, Dare shared the decision behind the move from Abuja to Lagos, as well as the synergy between him and his wife. Dare is a Nigerian musician, singer, songwriter, and also an idol judge. Dare was born in Lagos to legendary Nigerian jazz pioneer At Alade. Dare as a child used to roommate through his father's extensive jazz collection and tag along with him to his concerts. This early experience gave him his first taste of showbiz. Dare honed his skills at early stage, singing with different types of choirs, including the National Troupe of Nigerian Choir and then the Cathedral Choir. From age 15, he began to perform in clubs around Lagos and Ibadan and other cities of Nigeria. Papi J, Nigerian dancer. Kafi is 8 years older than her husband, Joseph Ame. He used to be the music director and drummer for Nigerian music duo P-Square. Kafi and the husband got married in Lagos on June 2nd, 2012. They are blessed with 2 lovely children, Eliana Ame, her daughter, and Sean Ame, their son. Kafi is a Nigerian dancer, choreographer, and fitness coach. She's also the founder and owner of Imagneto Dance Company. She is known for breaking the Guinness World Record for long dance party at the Nokia Silverbird Dance in 2006. Kafi's dancing career took off when she went to an event to perform on stage by someone who spotted her when she used to go to the National Stadium during weekends for dance and rehearsal workouts. In 2006, Kafi led her dance group to break the Guinness Book of Record for longest dance party after the dance for 45 hours and 40 minutes. So-E. Before their separation, they were so much in love, despite the fact that So-E's wife, Queen Ure, is 11 years older than So-E. As we all know, So-E is now a pastor in South Africa, where he holds crusade and revival programs. According to Tori.ng, So-E, whose real name is Emmanuel Okose, is now referred as Prophet Emmanuel, and he pastors a church known as the Evidence Church of God. It is also reported that the former singer now hosts revival programs and crusades. So-E, who relocated from Nigeria in 2013, gave his life to Christ and now became a man of God. Back in 2014, during a chat with Economium magazine, So-E revealed that he was called into the office by God. I don't like talking too much about myself, but by the grace of God, I would say I was called into the office of a prophet. At that time, it was said that he was working on a double international and gospel album. It will be recorded that in December 2017, So-E's former wife, Queen Ure, got married again. Many years after her marriage to the singer crashed, she later found love in the hands of Pastor Silas Newman. Mr. P. Peter Okoye, popularly known as Mr. P from the defunct music duo P-Square, is 6 years younger than his wife Lola Omotayo. Before getting married, they have been dating for 7 years. Peter said that Lola was there for him during his lowest moment. He puts her and their family above every other thing. Lola is a marketing representative. Her father is from Nigeria while her mother is from Russia. However, she was born in Nigeria. The beautiful traditional wedding of Peter and Lola was one of the most discussed events in 2013. It took place on Sunday, November 17, 2013. The couple chose Arc Event Center in Lekki, Lagos for their special day. The most special celebrities, athletes and business people like Genevieve Nnaji, Don Jazzy, Aliko Dangote, Emmanuel Adebayo, and many more were at the wedding. Apparently, Peter Okoye does not blame her wife for all the drama that happened with his brother, and she's still the most important person in the world to him. He even chose her over his twin brother when Paul reportedly started insulting his family. The drama in the Okoye family was solely huge, and it seems that in the end, they all faced their individual families. P-Square had a difference in opinion regarding what Peter perceived as lopsidedness in individual input of songs which are getting featured in their joint album, with Paul getting a lion's share of his songs selected. This led to Peter refusing to do anything P-Square for weeks. He even relocated, taking his wife and kids from the mansion they have lived for years and accommodated the extended family in. A lawyer was also involved to help split their fortune, as they were both involved in joint ventures for years. Trigger Keys. Celebrity stylist and fashion designer Toyin Lawani is 10 years older than her fiancé, Trigger Keys, who she is engaged to. Toyin Lawani is a multi-talented entrepreneur and stepdaughter of popular musician Shina Peters. She was dating Trigger Keys, a budding singer who is 10 years younger than her. Toyin Lawani has a son and daughter with her younger lover. There were a lot of rumors that Toyin Lawani's husband, Lord Trigger, was only interested in her money and happily spent all he could, without having any real affection for the entrepreneur. The musician resolutely denied this accusation, claiming that he worked hard and is capable of earning his own living. Lord said that he did not want to defend her anymore. He said he will continue to remain himself and enjoy life. He was in a relationship with Toyin Lawani for 3 years. In 2014, Trigger released a song titled Melody, which was dedicated to Toyin Lawani. At the time, he referred to her as a bride.
Melody, dance to my melody. Oh, yeah, pop up the place. Baby, show me your craze. She dey make her booty twerk, cause she watch me for trace. Oh, my baby, you looking like the best. Booty impress me. She said Trigger undress me, because you are a blessing. Oh, yeah, Ja, what's up? Ja, what's up? Oh, yeah, Ja, what's up?
She happened to be the stylist of the musician, but this didn't interfere with their love affair. Toyin Lawani was really happy, saying that the guy made her feel fantastic. When the relationship deteriorated, he began to send insults in the direction of his ex. Not the most gentlemanly behavior, of course. Toyin's admirers had once lashed at him and did not take it easy at the musician. An unpleasant story began when he posted the photo of their little son and added some offensive words. Then he had to hear a lot of less than pleasant comments from the fans of the designer. Wizkid. Nigerian pop singer Wizkid is 10 years younger than his girlfriend, Tiwa Savage. When Wizkid congratulated Tiwa Savage on her birthday, he called her our queen, my queen. They were also seen together in many places like the restaurant and the comedy show. And this is not all. In March, the two were seen in very passionate embrace and even shared a little kiss when they performed at Gidi Culture Fest. The ex-girlfriend of Wizkid, Tani Omotayo, unfollowed Tiwa Savage on social media, and the singer unfollowed her back. These two women used to be friends before. So fans began to suspect that their fallout had something to do with Wizkid. Besides, Tanya also stirred the rumors by adding mysterious quotes to her Instagram stories, which described the ending of a friendship, and many people assumed she was referring to Tiwa Savage. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian celebrities inspires you a lot? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.